Hello, my lovely viewers. You're wonderful. Come on, you're looking good. Do you know that? You're specially made. I'm so glad that you've been following us on this channel. And I want to assure you of one thing that before a long time, within a very short time, you're going to grab so much knowledge that will help you in your day-to-day activities and also help you in your schooling process. If you're a student or a pupil or a parent, any adult, however, wherever you find yourself, your knowledge of these studies is very, very vital. So remain consistent. All right. In our today's video, I want to teach you mathematics. Don't forget that this channel brings to you multi subjects. Okay? For now, English language, Igbo language, and then mathematics, especially for beginners. Okay? So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write numbers from a unit down to millions. And then by the end of this lesson, you should be able to know that when you want to write a million or hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands, you should be able to identify the number of digits that should be what? Involved. All right, looking at the board, you can see that these have been specified based on the number of digits that are involved. Now, when you want to write any number that has to do with a million, you have to have it at the back of your mind that at the end of your writing, that the total number of digits should be what? 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have here is what? 1 million. So if I want to write a number like 2,345,702. This is 2,345,702. If I want to know if the number I've written is still under a million, I have to first of all do what? Count the number of digits. If it is less than 7 or more than 7, it means what I've written is not correct. Now let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the number of digits that are in 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have you seen that? So if you want to write a number that will fall under a million, either 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, down to 9 million. All the total number of digits you will have to write out should be up to what? 7. Let's proceed. The next one is what? Hundreds of thousands. Hundreds of thousands. Let us see how many digits are involved in hundreds of thousands. Let us count it. How many digits are involved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so when you are told to write a number like 245,126. 245,126. If you want to write any number such as this that must fall under hundreds of thousands, if the number of digits exceeds 6, it means what you have written is what? Wrong. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the one we have over there. This is 100,000, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you seen that? So your hundreds of thousands must have the total number of 6 digits. The next one is what? Tens of thousands. Tens of thousands. thousands. Look at it. Tens of thousands. How many digits are involved in tens of thousands? Let us count. What we have here is 10,000, okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to write a number like 65,124, you want to write any number that falls under tens of thousands, such as 65,124, and you discover that the number of digits is more than 5, or the number of digits is less than 5, it means what you have written is wrong. Now let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the one we have over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you seen it? This is 10,000. And then the one I wrote below is 65,124. Total number of 5 digits. Here and here. Let's proceed. The next one is what? Thousand. Thousand. How many number of digits can we find in 1,000? Either 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 or 5,000 down to 9,000. How many number of digits? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if someone tells you to write a number like 3, 2, 4, 1. This is 3,241. Okay? 3,241. That is what we have here. Let's count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the one over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you seen? This is 1,000 and this is 3,241. The same 1,000 is still under what? 1,000. So from 1,000 down to 9,000 must be what? 4 digits in number. Okay, the next one in the list is what? Tens. Tens. Tens has 2 digits only. 2 digits. So if you want to write numbers like 25, 34, 62, you can see it must be 2 what? Digits. So these are numbers in what? That falls under tens. And the last one we have here is what? Units. Just one number. Just one number. Okay? From 0 down to what? 9 falls under units. Okay? Then from 10 down to what? 99 falls under tens. Then from 100 down to 999 falls under what? 100. And then from 990, from 1,000 down to what? 9,999 falls under 1,000. Just like that. Okay? So, I've been able to make you understand the number of digits that must be found in whole numbers, depending on the one you want to write. You want to write the numbers that falls under 100, tens, thousand, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand, and then million. These are the number of digits. Do you understand? Okay, my viewers, I want to appreciate you once again for watching this video. And I want to tell you one more thing, which is very, 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 very important, okay? And I trust you. I know you can do that. Just go ahead. Share the videos. Come on. Share the videos, okay? Subscribe. Very, very important too. Share the videos. Like it. Hit the notification bell. If you have your children who are still finding it very difficult, going about solving their mathematics, they find it very hard. Come on, subscribe, and then hand over the tablet or the iPhone to them as they continue consistently with me on this channel. Within a very short time, you'll see them doing very well in mathematics, English language, and Igbo language. Do you understand? So, this online lesson is very, very relevant for adults and children, for beginners and those ones that are already in secondary school. Very, very important. So, continue with us and you'll be glad you did. Don't forget, share the videos. Come on, share it, subscribe, like it, the notification bell, important. My name is Glory Lolo. I love you. I want to say, God bless you.